Hi, I'm the BBQ Butcher. Lately I've had a lot of emails and messages about what do I do with all the offcuts after my videos. Two simple answers to that is, one, ground beef or mince, or hamburger patties. Today I'm going to show you how I make my hamburger patties. I just use a basic home mincer and just start from there. Dice them up. So just slowly dice them all up until you get your mince in here. Then I just get a pinch of pepper. Same with the salt. And just mix it all up by hand. And I use a chunky blade, as you can see, so it gets it has a bit of texture in my hamburger patties. Not like some of the mass-produced ones that are so finely minced. So I get them like that. Get a ball in my hand, roll it together like that, put it on your table and just squash it. And do the same again. Get the ball, roll it. That works out to be the same size. Squash it. Those will hold together. And another little trick, if your hands get all fatty when you're making them, dip them in a little bit of water, and the meat, when you roll it, see that? Doesn't stick. Doesn't stick. It's a really good tip. Just always have a little bit of bowl of water beside you when you're making mince, sausages, especially with sausages and hamburger patties. There you go, not sticking at all. And there you go. And that's how I make my homemade burger patties with all the offcuts that I do from my videos. Remember to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.